guys, what's up? Yeah, so this is actually Old Harbour Road heading to Spanish Town, right? So I'm actually on the job, guys, but with the whole heap of rain and everything, it's proving very, very difficult. So I'm actually heading back to Kingston, right? Trying to finish up preparations. Alright, you guys, you can probably hear the rain as well. Maybe, hopefully, the audio is not too bad. You know, yeah, so actually heading back to Kingston because we have another bout of lockdown again this weekend from Sunday up until Tuesday again. You know, the authorities that they are trying to stem the rise in COVID cases, right? So they have a whole for lockdown and everything there. So may I go back trying to get preparation done because I know there's a tropical storm out. And I don't know if tomorrow will be a good day for preparation for that. So, you know, today I brave it, guys. So, you know. Yeah, my people. So, yeah. This is how it is in Jamaica now. Tropical storm plus lockdown. We have all of them things that we contend with, you know. Yeah. So guys, let us know how it's going in your neck of the woods. Cass is actually now in Kingston. She's actually working in Kingston right now. Alright, but we're gonna be meeting up. We're gonna be meeting up to try to get some more grocery shopping done. Alright. And I'm showing you the road. So Old Harbour Road, St. Catherine. You know. This is the road. This is what it's like in Jamaica, driving in Jamaica right now. You know, it's easy, guys. And I'll be driving to Kingston as well. So I'll show you a bit of what it's like in Kingston. I can see the car in front of me. Him have on him four-way flasher too, just to show you how, you know, hazardous it is. You know, visibility poor and everything. Yeah. Guys, just interrupting your video for a brief minute just to tell you about East Couriers. They are the couriers that we use to get all our packages to Jamaica from overseas. So whenever we order on the internet, whether it be Amazon or any other popular website, we always use East. Just register for their service on their website, shipeastcouriers.com. Alright guys, you can also follow them on Instagram. Right, links will be in the description, guys. East Couriers. They also do shipping for barrel from overseas. Alright, guys, straight to your door here in Jamaica. Reach out to them, shipeastcouriers.com, the place to go. Yeah, it's really rough. So we actually have an Airbnb guest right now. She's at the house and she's at the house with her family. She actually had a death. And they came in for the funeral, but you know, even that rather difficult because she say she's from Manchester, you know, so with the whole lockdown you can hear a big puddle of water we just drive through a while ago, guys. Yeah, so for she up and down with the curfew and lockdown and all of something there and the storm and everything, it's very, very difficult, but she there, guys, you know. Yeah, man. So guys, let us know how things are going for you. Let us know, you know, how the weather like in your area. You know, if you're in Jamaica, how it stings, how you're preparing. Alright. The kids are at home. Jaden and Carrie are at home with their grandma right now. So she's there with them to taking care of them while we are out at work. Yep. So this is what we have to go. But there are we call out there, so. Into this, yeah, Inzud. That's all. Near Spanish Town, guys. Probably 5-10 minutes from Spanish Town now. And as we say, guys, I'm gonna go straight in our town, meet with Cass, and get some grocery shopping done. Yep. Silverstone Estate turning right there. We did the tour of that development not too long ago. Alright guys, so now we're reaching Kingston. You get me I say? There's hardly any rain in Kingston. The place wet, probably earlier the rain would fall. You see me? But it's a lot clearer here than in St. Catherine. So we reach at the store where I always do shopping. You see me? And Reddy's Road crazy guys. I'll show you what on Reddy's Road. Yeah guys, so this is Reddy's Road. Up and down and pay traffic. You see me? See going in, it's crazy. Inside the parking lot look full. And boy, I don't even know. Look at them people in front of me, they even want to go around. They might take so long. By the way guys, very familiar with up here, so you know, because I spent 7 years of my life going to high school up here. I used to go to the Meadowbrook High School. You get me? So all the Meadowbrook massive, big up on yourself, you see me? Calabar massive, big up on yourself. Likewise Murray Grove, you see me? Big up on yourself. Yeah. Well, we used to take bus together back in the days, you know. Yeah man, so Meadowbrook, our stamping ground them place, yeah. Yeah man. So I try squeeze now, go around, but it's very difficult, like gridlock. Kessa go come meet me now, but I think I can tell her to drive around, go down. I tell her go down Mullines Road. Oh shit, brother. You do that on purpose, brother. Oh God. Anyway. Yeah, I tell her to go around Mullines Road and come back up, you know, because this seems very tedious. Yeah guys, so look who's here. Yeah, so we capture her. So we're at the store. Alright. The place that looks so chaotic today. You know. Give thanks. You know, so we're going in, just try to get a few items and head out. Yeah. Alright. Hopefully we don't get the Delta variant.
What? You're not. You're on the grass stage positive.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
So at the entrance to the store now guys, so we're on our way in.
Yeah. Right. It's a price mark guys, and we see them dress up outfit here. Like I think we parents are so crazy nowadays. But this probably be too small for Jaden though.
Definitely.
Maybe too small. Probably have to go buy one online. And Malika definitely. Malika has one of these. Malika is so crazy. You should see her dress up like Elsa and babe.
Hey.
Okay, so we're up here. Up here is not too bad. It's not too bad.
We come early, so
yeah.
We blush is kind of scared.
Yeah, we're here. So yesterday was so crazy. Let's see what we can get on Orp and leave.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was in and out, a quick thing.
Yeah.
So we can just avoid the crowd, avoid the chaos. Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
Oh, hi. Good to see you, no?
Good to see you. So, yeah, Orpan gets Jaden cornflakes and him Lasco because that's what he has requested.
True.
That we don't come back without him cornflakes and him Lasco.
Right.
Yeah. And we reached the compass section. But we don't need any because we've been spared. Like Kai went through his size 3, he's now on size 3 and his size 3 is lasting for 2 months. So we already got a size 4 the last time we came here, anticipating that he's gonna go through the size 3 in a month like what he did with the others.
But portion leave. Still,
yeah. So we have about a few days left of size 3 and then we'll have a full case of the size 4. Yeah,
because we did buy that extra case thinking that he would have already started from before.
Yeah. Yeah, so we already have, we got wipes last month, so I need to buy wipes again. So Kai good. You don't see if you fix up Jay now.
Yeah. Yeah. So what we did so far guys. Alright. I'm gonna try to small up yourself.
Yeah.
You know.
But today is not bad at all. Today is not bad at all.
Nice day. Very surprising because it's Friday.
So I good things that we never get to come to yesterday because we have been in the crowd and everything, so every disappointment is for a good, right?
That's true, man. True.
Oh, we need Bobby. Adrian has found a new toy that he wants. So he saw these. We had some before, you know, but them not burn out so easy. So
yeah, some don't make no sense.
yeah.
But them here look more sturdy.
Yeah.
Solar. You know, them look nice. Them look bigger and more. So I'm gonna try some of them. So I'm gonna take a few of these. You know. All right.
Oh, we need milk. This is the milk aisle right here. Milk is right here.
Yeah. What is liquid cup?
Oh, it's some special type of tea.
Assortment of tea. Okay.
What, fruit tea and them things are nice? Yeah, stuff that Adrian don't like.
Yeah, what I want there? Sorrel?
Yeah, I have a sorrel and ginger tea. I love it so much.
Sick.
It tastes nice. Hold on, between people. It's nice. You guys, I like fruit teas and them something. You know. Babe, look at this. Look at this, guys. I want this. I want me one of these. See? Kitchen Aid. These are the brand too, you know.
100,000.
$103,000 fees. So you can see that? $103,000, but I want one of these. Not necessarily KitchenAid brand. I know I want the $103,000 one, but I want one of those. I'm telling Adrian if I want one of these because Kai is getting to the age where he's gonna start to eat food from the pot, and I want to do a lot of purees for him at the beginning. So I'm gonna do like vegetable purees, like the broccoli and the cauliflower, and of course I'm gonna do like the pumpkin and the carrot and stuff like that. So I want to go the route of making my own baby food first instead of going the whole buying baby food like Gerber and all them other brandy. I want to actually try and make my own baby food. Not try, I am going to make my own baby food, right? So we need to get one of them here.
My lady legit.
Yeah,
check up our thing, you know.
This is me all the time,
right?
all the time.
And when we do a challenge video, she would without calculator, you know, like literally all the time when she come grocery shopping, this is what she
Every
does.
time, yeah.
You know, it's not a joke thing. She don't want to go up at the cashier and get no surprises.
What? How you ask for that? When we go up there, we not take her off, we have here, right? We not go up there and say, all right, hold on.
You take back this and take back that.
No, take that. I don't play them game there.
Oh my God.
So we are almost there. We get Jaden stuff.
Yeah.
So now we need
We're
to
getting
get
cornflakes.
Yeah.
And milk. But the frosted flakes, it's not a regular cornflakes.
Yeah, the frosted one of that.
Yeah.
We need to go into the women's section. This is always.
Hold on. We just try to hurry up.
Oh, but I want to go over there.
Over here, so?
Yeah, I want to go and look at the sheet and stuff.
Every time you can look for a sheet, like every time?
Yes. Yes.
Oh boy.
You need to look at stuff like this. See what I want and, you know? You have to do it, people. You just have to.
No, king. Be a queen. Oh, it's a king up top. The higher level of king.
Oh.
Higher level of king. I don't love the color of them though. I don't know.
Yeah. More they have a color like that already. I'm gonna like this already. You have to be careful of them color here, cause one girl against 3 boys.
Oh jeez.
Yeah.
Throws.
Yeah.
Them are nice plush, huh?
What do you think? Pink? Let's go pink?
You know, I'll throw you know I use already. At the yard, so you do it more.
Is it ever, you know? Yeah, but I'm not
My God.
I got a really nice one in the supermarket the other day, you know.
Look on that one here. Look on this.
Yeah, this is nice.
60 by
This
70.
is nice. So, oh, but it's 2 different things, you know. So that was a blanket. This is a throw. So you put this on top of that. On top of the blanket. I do like this though. This is nice.
I say let's not spend any money on this right now.
Really?
Yeah, that me say. That me
Oh, we
say.
bought gardening stuff, right? We bought stuff for his garden.
So my garden and our garden.
It's our garden, but it's our bed.
So next month. Next month.
Right, guys? It's our garden and it's our bed.
Alright.
Right?
Well, next month. Oh, my son.
I think we should buy one of them. Buy the blanket now and then buy the straw next month. I think we should do that.
Alright. I think we finished.
Yeah, but we're hungry.
You hungry? So where you want to get to eat?
I don't know. Probably can get my hot dog or some waiting.
Hot dog. Over there, so? Oh, there's a food court across there, by the way, guys. So, when we're done cash out with you guys out.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a quick thing, guys.
Yeah.
You know, try to beat the rush.
So, I think we need to buy the 10-piece chicken. Yeah.
How much is it? How much is it?
$1,100. I always do this, right, guys? I don't know if you see it in any of our previous vlogs, but sometimes you have to evaluate it. For me to buy 2 meals for both of us, it's gonna cost an average $1,600.
True.
Guys, so we're done.
It's true.
Yeah, we're done, and we're in kind of fall, so or if I go to the car. You see the sky? You see the sky black?
Wet and slippery, no man.
Right here. Yeah, so Adrian had to run for something, so I'm waiting for him. I want to highlight something, right? Sanitizer in Adrian's car. I put the sanitizer in Adrian's car for about a month now, 1 month, and Adrian don't find it. Adrian keep on saying, in there, I can't find it. I'm like, yes, I did. I put a sanitizer in your car. I'm pretty sure. Because I know say, and I'm put it on. I say, Adrian, put this in your car. You won't remember. So I put it in my car myself, and him can't find it. And who came and found it? Adrian can't look for nothing. Him can't see it. Like, I think, I don't know if it's a deficiency or something. If it's a block, I think it's a brain block. Him literally want himself look for, him automatically become blind. Him cannot see it. And it was in his center console all this time. Okay? Almost how no husband stay so. Just can't look for nothing, can't find nothing. Even if it's in front of Adrian, Adrian is like, I don't see it. You have to come pick it up and game. Yeah. You're like that. You men. Almost how no man will admit it. In the comment section, are you like that if you're a man? And females, your husband stays so? Let me know.
So guys, you know say she said she put the sanitizer in my car from when, and she can't find it, me can't find it. Who's to be blamed, guys?
Maybe she can't find it.
But you can't find it, you couldn't find it.
Listen.
But how much you come in the car and I look fit and I see it?
But tell me, someone put it in my car. I'm pretty sure he must say, no, there's no sanitizer in the car. I'm like, yes, there is. Look. Right?
Guys, at the food, I look on now, literally 10 pieces of chicken. Or 8.
8 pieces of chicken.
I just take out 1 piece and carry on the rest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to eat 1 piece?
Yeah, I guess. Huh?
It's a miracle. You not eat 1 piece of chicken. You know you not eat it.
No, I'm going to eat 1 piece. 1 piece. 1 piece. Alright, here we go. That's it, Grace?
Yes. Lord, bless this food out there about you, not only fat to your body, any arm, but keep us healthy. Right? In my prayer. Amen.
Amen. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, here we go. I'm gonna take this. Hand wash, sanitize. Yeah. Where the wipes them then?
I have my baby wipes in your car, use out.
You did that empty, so I'm gonna just grab it.
I wash you with him thing. Don't think I even care. It's kind of like,
Oh,
he's like, okay. we're gonna record eating chicken.
Guys, we're gonna leave it here now.
Yep.
You see me? Thanks for watching, guys.
Yes, thank you for coming over.
Thanks for clicking. Much appreciated. And if you reach this far, guys, just give us a fat thumbs up.
Yes.
Alright, just leave us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, guys, and share the video. Share it with somebody you know will appreciate the content, guys. Because we have a lot more in store for you.
Yes.
Alright, guys, so peace out. Soon.
Bye, D Squad.
Yeah, man, we're out.